So then guys, something else I forgot to mention is the Franklin 1000-pound capacity 26-inch by 18-inch polypropylene dolly. And hey guys, I forgot to mention, well, I've mentioned it before in plenty of other YouTube videos, but it's a 27 by 22-inch US General slate gray top chest. My paper towel rolls, my paper towel roll that's on the holder, my cup holder, my screwdrivers, my adapter from hex to bit, bunch of my screwdrivers, quite a few of the US General magnetic attachments, my Pittsburgh magnetic trace 4 and 6 inch, my sole, my receipts, my Benchmade stuff, my pry tools, my pry bars, my plastic trim tool removal kit, hammers, Zippo lighter stuff. That's pretty much everything there. Bunch of drivers, hex keys, hex keys, bulk extractor set, meme tool. That's that drawer. Bits, pliers set, vice grip, Klein tools, wire strippers, cutter setup, I think. Which the vice grip and wire stripper cutter setup I found at the shop because someone left them there, so I snagged them. My 12-inch clamp tool, bits, extensions, adapters, universal joint, ratchets, my Quinn 3H drive 5.9 to 59 foot-pound torque adapter, and which then I have all my wrenches in this drawer, which are a bunch of different types of wrenches. Sockets, extensions, adapters, universal joints, then all my safety gear and my light. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab until YouTube makes feature to where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace. I'm out.